Do you want your driveway to look very clean when your other neighbor's driveway is filled with snow? Are you thinking of coming to Canada? And one of the things stopping you is the fear that you have to clear snow from your driveway when you come to Canada. Let me show you this. Look at this. Just see how this driveway is clean. Look at it. Just look at it. Let's take a look down. Look at what this driveway looks like. And now let's compare it with what others look like. Let's take a look. See other people's driveway. Can you see? Can you see other people's driveway? Let's look forward to. Can you see other people's driveway over there? Can you see what it looks like? Can you see it? And now let's compare it to the one I showed you. See, can you see the difference? I'm sure you can see the difference. It's sparkling clean. No ice, no snow. And we just had about 10 cm dump of snow. And you can see how this driveway is clean. It doesn't even look like it's snowed here at all. So for people that want to come to Canada, one of the things that they have issue with is having to pack snow. It's a major problem for a lot of people. Some people dread the cold and the thought of having to spend hours early morning, in the afternoon, in the evening packing snow is a big issue for a lot of people. But right now there are a lot of technologies that you can use to clear the snow without you having to physically clear the snow. So this I'm showing you right now is an heated driveway. So what happens is when the snow falls, the sensor picks that snow is falling, and instantly the heater that is under the driveway starts working and starts clearing the snow. And that's why you can see that this driveway is clean. There's no snow on it at all, while the other neighbors that you can see around, you can see signs of snow on their driveway, despite the fact that they've cleared it. For those that are bothered about snow, this is one of the things that you can do. You know, if you don't want to pack snow by yourself, you don't want to carry a shovel to start clearing snow early morning or when you come back from work or any time that it snows, you can actually do what we call an heated driveway, and you won't have to clear snow on your driveway. The sensor picks it automatically and starts anytime there's snow, and you end up having a clean driveway like what I just showed you now. Apart from this, there are also companies that you can pay to assist you clear snow if you are bothered about it, because I've spoken to a lot of people who complain that one of the reasons why they don't come to Canada is because of the cold, and two, because they heard that they have to be clearing snow and all of that, and they feel, how can they be packing snow at this their age, or they feel it's a stress and all of that. You can pay people to do it for you. There are actually people in the neighborhood who you can reach out to and pay them on a monthly basis or on a daily basis when there's snow, and they can come to your house and actually help you clear the snow anytime it falls. So this is also an option that you have. Then for some other people, instead of you living in a house, you can decide to live in an apartment. For those that live in apartments, they don't have to clear snow because the management of the apartment will likely be the ones organizing that for you. So you just come into your house, to your apartment, stay there and do your normal things, while the management of the apartment will be the ones sorting out snow clearing and cutting of grass and all of that. So if that's a concern for you and you think you don't want to live in a house, you can always opt to live in an apartment where you also have to clear snow. And snow is something that is inevitable. You cannot do without it. It's something that has been here for years, and the people here have coped with it. So, if you have plans to come to Canada and what is worrying you is the colds or the snow, it shouldn't be an issue. People are coping, and if they can cope, I want to believe that you also can cope. You know, they've survived for years doing all this, even when they didn't have a lot of technologies. This snow has been falling here for years, and they've been fine, and they are still fine, and they'll still be fine. So, if for many years people have coped with this, then I'm confident that you too can survive if you come here, and the cold or the snow will not really be an issue. You know, there are so many things that, as I said, I'll give you an example of what you can do. You can have your driveway heated, you can get people to pay who will come and clear the snow for you, and you can decide to live in an apartment or a condominium where you won't have to pack snow by yourself, but definitely you will need to pay the management. They are likely going to add that to your rent, and or maybe your condo fees that you're going to be paying on a monthly basis, and they will help you clear the snow and do all those things that you cannot do since it's an issue for you. But for those that want to live in houses who have no choice but to pack snow, you have options that you can do to make life easy for yourself. And I saw someone that was talking about snow covering a car online and all of that. Yeah, if you live in a house that has a garage, you won't be bothered about snow falling in your car, because one, your cars will be parked in your garage and your garage will be closed, so there's no way snow can come on your cars. But if you live in a place where your house doesn't have a garage, and you have to park on the street, you should know that apart from clearing snow on your walkway, you also need to clear snow on your car early morning or any time you are going out, because it's illegal. You will get a fine if you drive a car that has snow covering the windshield or the glass or anywhere around your car. If police sees that, they will stop you, and you're going to get a ticket for that. So get a house that has a garage. You will not need to pack snow from your car. If you have a house that doesn't have a garage, then you know that you would need to pack snow. So you have options. And all you just need to do is choose the option that is best for you. Choose one that will work for you, and at the end of the day, everybody will be fine. See you guys.